Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best headphone parts is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked aspects of maintaining your beloved audio gear, ensuring that your listening experience remains immersive and uninterrupted. When your favorite headphones start showing signs of wear and tear, whether it's a frayed cable, a cracked headband, or worn-out earcups, the thought of replacing the entire unit can be disheartening and expensive. However, the availability of high-quality replacement parts offers a sustainable and cost-effective solution, breathing new life into your cherished headphones and allowing you to continue enjoying pristine sound without breaking the bank. This video will guide you through the essential considerations when selecting the perfect components to restore your headphones to their former glory. Number 5. Link Dream Replacement Ear Tips for AirPods Pro. These replacement ear tips are designed for a perfect fit with your AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2nd generation. They ensure seamless induction and charging without any interference. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these ear tips effectively block external noise. Enjoy your music with the original sound quality of your in-ear headphones. Experience exceptional comfort for extended wear without ear pain. They stay securely in place, even during your most intense workouts. Keep your spare earbuds safe and clean with the included portable storage box. It prevents loss and keeps them ready for use. Replacing your old ear tips is simple. Remember to remove the white cup along with the old tips for a smooth transition. What we like. If you're looking for a way to enhance your AirPods Pro experience, these silicone ear tips are a great choice. They offer a secure fit, block out ambient noise, and even come with a convenient storage box. If you prioritize comfort and sound isolation for your AirPods Pro, these are the ones to consider. What people say. These fit great. They're actually a little more difficult to take off than the OEM tips. As far as the noise cancelling, it still works perfect. The original tips started hurting after a while, but these new ones are super comfortable. They come in multiple sizes, S and L, ensuring a perfect fit for any ear. The silicone material is soft, and they stay in place well during use. Once on, the tip did exactly what it needed to do, seal the inside of my ear so the noise cancellation works perfectly. Number 4. SRALOY Studio 3 2.0 Headband Repair Kit. Is your Studio 3 or Studio 2.0 headband damaged? This repair kit is designed to be compatible with your wireless over-ear headphones. Need help with installation? You can easily find video instructions on YouTube to guide you through the process. Crafted for durability, this replacement headband is built to last. It's resistant to breaking and fading, ensuring a long-lasting repair. The package includes one headband, a screwdriver, and 4 screws. Please note that the headphones themselves are not included. Made by SRALOY, we stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 90-day free return and exchange guarantee for any quality issues. What we like. For those who own Studio 2.0 or Studio 3.0 wireless headphones and need to replace a worn-out headband, this kit is ideal. It's made from high-quality, durable materials and comes with the necessary tools for a straightforward installation. If you want to restore the look and feel of your Beats Studio headphones with a reliable and easy-to-use part, this is a solid option. What people say. The replacement fits great and feels sturdy, not cheap or flimsy like I expected. The kit comes with the tools you need, and the whole swap took maybe 10 to 15 minutes. The color, fit, and finish all line up with the original Studio headband, so once it's installed, you really can't tell it was replaced. Number 3. AHG Accessory House Global QC2 QC15 Ear Pads and Headband. Your headphones have been loyal companions for years. Give them a fresh, new look with our premium replacement ear pads and headband. Keep the classics alive without breaking the bank. Don't let your amazing headphones fade away. Refresh them with our premium ear pads and headband to restore their performance. Experience the brilliance of your music again. Upgrade your headphones with our 3D printed headband and ear pads kit. Engineered for a precise fit, it delivers personalized, long-lasting comfort for all your listening sessions. Fresh replacement ear pads and a new headband are essential to restoring sound and comfort. Revive your audio experience with new ear pads and headband, expertly crafted for a secure fit. Say goodbye to old, worn-out ear pads and headband. Upgrading is quick and easy, taking just minutes. We've got you covered with detailed installation videos to make your headphones new again. What we like. If your Bose Quiet Comfort 15 or QC2 headphones are showing signs of wear on the headband and ear pads, this Accessory House Global Kit is a fantastic solution. It features extra thick cushioning and premium protein leather for superior comfort, reviving your listening experience. If you're seeking to bring your beloved QC headphones back to life with enhanced comfort and a fresh look, this DIY kit is perfect for you. What people say. Great fit, look, easy to install, saved my old Bose from the trash heap. The kit includes ear pads, ear pad inserts, 2 versions, one matching the original and the other as pictured with LR embossment, a replacement headband pad end clips, a small screwdriver, and a small plastic case tool for getting the ear pad support rings under the clips that hold them in place. This kit made my 13-year-old Bose headphones look and feel brand new. Number 2. Geekria Headband Cover Pad Set. Tired of worn-out headphone headbands? Give your favorite headphones a fresh new look and feel with our easy-to-install replacement pad set. Designed to fit a wide range of popular headphone models from brands like Bose, Beats, Audio-Technica, and Sony. Check our compatibility list to see if yours is included. Crafted from durable protein leather, this black headband cover provides enhanced comfort and protects your original headband from wear and tear. No tools required. Our headband cover features a convenient zipper closure for a quick and easy DIY installation in just minutes. Measuring 7.48 by 1.77 inches, this replacement pad is designed for a snug fit. It comes in a sleek black color to match your headphones. Each package contains one replacement headset headband padding, ready to refresh your listening experience. What we like. This headband cover and pad set is a versatile option for many headphone users, offering broad compatibility with popular brands like Bose, Beats, and Sony. The easy DIY installation with a zipper closure makes it simple to protect your existing headband from wear and tear. If you have medium-sized headphones and want a practical, protective layer that's easy to install, this is a great choice. What people say. The gel pad is pure magic on hot days, actively drawing away heat and keeping your head from becoming a sauna. Plus, the padding is incredibly plush and evenly distributed, eliminating pressure points and leaving you feeling like you're wearing a headband made of fluffy kittens. The installation was very simple, no tools required. You just wrap it around the existing headband and secure it with the hook and loop closure and zipper, so it only takes a couple minutes to put on. It made a headset that irritated the top of my head after 30 minutes, great for much longer sessions. Number 1. SOULWIT Headband Cover for Audio-Technica M50 Series. This headband cover is designed exclusively for your Audio-Technica M50, M50X, and other compatible M50 series headphones. Please ensure your model matches before buying. Installation is a breeze with our step-by-step instructions. You'll have your new headband on in no time, making the process quicker and easier. Revitalize your beloved headphones with a fresh, new look. It's like getting a brand new pair, but with the comfort and sound you already love. Crafted from high-quality protein leather, this accessory offers superior comfort and is built to last. Enjoy extended listening sessions with ultimate durability. We are dedicated to creating professional-grade accessories that enhance your audio experience. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like. If you own Audio-Technica ADH-M50 series headphones, this specific headband cover is designed to give them a new lease on life. Crafted with premium protein leather, it not only enhances comfort but also revitalizes the appearance of your headphones. If you're looking for a dedicated repair part that offers both durability and a refreshed aesthetic for your M50 headphones, this is the product to get. What people say. The kit comes with everything that you need to replace the cover. Good quality material and easy to install. Easy to install and good instruction. Nice fit and will last for years. The foam is thicker in this replacement than what was originally in it. That's a plus. And, the color matches. After installation, the headband replacement looks like it belongs there. It looks really close to factory, actually. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.